The Agoz 3-in-1 retractable multi-cable is available in 3 different colors: silver, red, and black. The 3-in-1 multi-cable is adjustable and can be adjusted to any length that you'd like. The center dome houses all of the cables so they don't get entangled with one another. It can extend up to 48 inches. Retracting the cable back into the dome is simple. Pull on both cables at the same time and they will easily slide back into the center dome. The Agoz retractable multi 3-in-1 cable features 3 different connectors: a micro USB connector, a lightning connector for all Apple products, and a USB-C connector. This cable is perfect for Uber or Lyft drivers, or if you have friends with different phones, because you'll always have a charger for them.